I found this gorgeous four-door sideboard on the Restoration Hardware website, but I was not about to pay $36.50 for it. Then I saw this at the thrift store for $70 and turned it into this, and today I'm going to show you how. The first thing we're going to do is remove these old pulls. I've got an idea for some more modern pulls that I can add to it, and we're going to remove the doors, and we're going to repair this crack that had been formed along the top. We're repairing it with a product called Bondo. We have a whole tutorial on how to use Bondo for your viewing pleasure that we will link in the description below. And now we are sanding with our Festool sander, and we are sanding with 120 grit. And we are seeing that we are going to run into an issue with all these different color grains. This is going to be an issue because I want a very cohesive look for the top, so I'm going to have to figure out how we are going to blend all of these different color woods into a nice natural top. We flip this dresser onto the side just because it is much easier to sand a horizontal surface rather than a vertical surface. And of course, what goes up must come down. So here Matt is bringing the dresser down oh so carefully. Great job, Matt. Strong work. The stain color we chose is General Finishes Walnut Water-Based Stain. We use this color a lot. It's a very pretty brown. And here Matt is putting it on the top, and we are going to be using our Malacy 2K top coat. This is going to just be one top coat because I'm going to come in with a custom finish glaze, and I'm going to try to blend together all of these different wood colors, and putting the top coat on helps my glaze to not penetrate into the wood so deeply and kind of helps sit on top of the wood. We always do a light scuff sand in between top coats just because in case any dust or debris or bubbles from the top coat settled into the top, you can get that out with a light scuff sand. Here is where we are putting on the brown glaze. This is General Finishes Van Dyke Brown, and I'm just applying this with a chip brush. I'm applying it all over the top, but I'm focusing on the areas that are a little bit lighter, and this helps to blend it all together to make it look nice and cohesive into that Restoration Hardware look that I want. The one problem is that this glaze was not settling into the Bondo, which I kind of was afraid of, but I came in with a furniture pen, like a touch-up pen, and blended it perfectly, and you would never be able to find it now. Here is a good angle of the side. This is where you can really see how putting in this glaze and putting it heavier in certain areas and blending it all out really changed the look and made it a nice cohesive look. And I think it was about this time that we decided we wanted to keep this piece for ourselves. Normally we sell all of our furniture, but this one is going to be staying with us. While I love the character of this curved detail on the drawer front, I do want to just tone it down just a tad with the glaze, and I'm very happy with how it looks. And now I'm going over all the tops of the drawer fronts, and now Matt is putting on the second and third coat of top coat. Again, this is Malacy 2K top coat, and we do a light scuff sand in between, but you can start to see all of it together and how good it looks. We put the doors back on. Teamwork just makes everything a little bit better. It makes it all go a little bit faster. Here we are using the Torres cabinet hardware jig. This just creates the perfect template so that you only have to measure once. You measure it against your hardware and measure it against your drawer, and you are good to go. Perfect hole spacing every single time. And I love this black bar hardware pull. And here we are, me and Caroline, taking this buffet off the rollers because we are strong women. We don't need a man. Go, girl. And she's going to help me stage this. Even though we're keeping this for ourselves, we are content creators, so we are going to stage this and take photos of it because it's so beautiful and it deserves its moments of glory. This is around Christmas time. Note my little reindeer clips in my hair and all the Christmas decor and these nice little blankets. This is such a versatile buffet. I love staging all this stuff. And here is the finished product. I am so happy with how it turned out. I love the restoration hardware look, but not the restoration hardware price. And again, we are Matt and Jennifer Moses. We do this full time. You can catch all of our tutorials here on YouTube, and you can catch us on Instagram and Facebook. Like and subscribe and follow for more.